Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, July 24th. This is Henry and we are looking at the gold chart 60 minutes time frame here, guys. It's still very choppy, right? You can see right here we are basically the P finished at 4204. And then with 1 of C ended here, with 2 of C ended as an expanded flat APC. Now turning lower again to resume the downside as long as it stays below 4204. So basically, there is still room for gold to extend lower as long as it does not break above 4204. Zooming out to the larger time frame daily, right? So this is the all-time high earlier this year, and then we just consistently make a lower low and lower high. And yeah, I mean, you can try to make sense of this, some sort of um, a wedge, right? Some sort of a wedge. And then also if you do the extension analysis, then potentially it can go to 3400. Now 3400 is not meant to be absolutely for sure we will go there, but it's a possibility that we can go, right? Depending on which connector, you can use this one or you can actually also use this one. If you use this one, let's say you calling this WX, then we have a chance to go to 3400. But another option will be using this one, right? If you are using this one, then you can just call this as an AP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that will be your AP. If you are using this one as the connector, the structure, then this is actually already in the support zone. But if you use this one, which is also possible, then we can go all the way down to 3400. So in any case, for now, we need more data to be able to call some sort of intermediate low in gold, which we still have not quite got it just yet, right? Now, if you draw it this way, right, you can see that if we can manage to take out the high again here, this high again, then I do think intermediate low is in place already if we can take this out. But yeah, that requires this to rally. Now, so that means I think we are getting into a situation where it's kind of risky for you to keep chasing the downside, right? To keep chasing the downside, as we might be closer to intermediate low rather than significantly needs more downside at this point in time. Even though again, for us to be able to say intermediate low is in, we need a little bit more data. And then I think if we can take this out again, I think intermediate low could be in place. But for the time being though, since we are still more or less continue to be trading within this predictable channel here, then we cannot say, for now we cannot say gold has no room for further downside. It still has room for further downside, and the decline also kind of looks impulsive. Let's see what the extension is on the third wave. Yeah, third wave almost reaches the 1.618. So all in all, as long as we continue to stay below 4204, we still have room for more downside, right? Whether it is just a marginal low or whether it's a more significant low like 3400 or so, we do have more room for the downside as long as we continue to stay below 4204. But again, caution is advised at this point, guys. And again, if you are bottom facing, you basically have no stop loss that is reliable for you to use. But if you are chasing the downside, you have to understand that this thing here is at the borderline of trying to form some sort of intermediate low. So if you do chase the downside, you need to make sure that you protect your position, control your losses, right? If you are trading it, just in case it suddenly reverse and take out this high again, then I think good chance intermediate low in that situation is already in. Okay, So for now, no change. We can still see more downside, a room for more downside, as long as we stay below 42.04. In terms of the next target, assuming we can go down, break below 39.59, target on the downside will be measure like 1, 2, 3, 100% extension. So will next be 39.45, right? 39.45 will be the next target on the downside. Right, so that's the update for today, guys. And if you do want to get more updates on gold or any other commodities, stock, indices, Forex, feel free to check our service. If you are a new member, you can take advantage of the 14-day trial using the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.